Hi guys, today here we're at the Ridge Truck location, and we have a truck that was brought down from Minnesota from a customer. This particular truck here is an '02 Isuzu NRR. One of the things that needs to be addressed before we start to convert the truck is the chassis has got a lot of rust on it, and we're going to be able to eliminate it. In other words, we have to go ahead and cut the frame off and restore it with a frame out of another vehicle, and we're going to show you the process how to convert it, how to go ahead and modify the chassis and reinforce it to make it roadworthy again. So, that would be our next step. Right here has extensive damage. So what we're doing is cutting the frame on it and reinforcing it. These trucks were brought down from the north, so it's a lot of salt, a lot of environment that's corrosive. And the only way to save it is by reinforcing it and replacing with another frame. This is one of the things that we do here when customers bring down trucks from up north. We have to go ahead and be able to stop. In order to salvage the truck, we have to do this procedure, otherwise the truck will not be safe for the road. It won't be roadworthy. Son, ahí viene una fuerza.